on schedule to open in 2017. In a word, the New York Wheel is big.
630 feet high, 36 capsules, 40 people per capsule, 1,440 people per rotation of 38 minutes. That means 2,200 people per hour. This is a big, high-capacity attraction. We're expecting 3.5 to 4 million people a year to come, but we could handle 12 million a year.
Currently under construction overlooking New York Harbor, the New York Wheel sits directly adjacent to the Staten Island Ferry, already one of New York's most popular tourist attractions.
What put me over the edge was the fact that 2 to 2.5 million tourists were on the Staten Island Ferry already. And when you're looking to do 3.5+ million visitors, having 2 to 2.5 already sort of on the boat is a very good start.
And in the initial phase of construction, the Wheel's had a very good start as well. As 2016 begins, the Wheel is on time, on budget, and on its way. For an update, we toured the site with Dan Tess, Senior Project Manager for Gilbane Building Company. He explained that the New York Wheel is actually several different projects.
The next month we'll see the completion of this dock, which all of the components for the wheel proper will be transported via barge from a local facility within the New York area. And then what will happen is, if we look over here, all of this parking will be decommissioned and disassembled, so that'll open up this area for the erection of the wheel. Mammoet is one of the premier heavy construction firms in the worldwide. That's why they were selected for this project.
Mammoet is scheduled to fabricate much of the wheel and actually hoist those parts into place. They, along with Starneth, are experienced as well, having collaborated on the London Eye back in 1999.
If you take a look through here, you can see the excavation of the south caisson, which is approximately 2,500 cubic yards of soil that's being excavated out to be replaced with reinforced concrete. Let's see if we can get in and take a little bit closer look here. It is an active site. There's a lot going on, so.
As Rich Marin pointed out, the wheel is tall, over 630 feet high, twice the height of the Statue of Liberty, but it's also a massive structure, nearly 10,000 tons in total weight. It will need a solid foundation.
So this is the beginning of the caissons for the wheel legs. As you can see here, these are the supporting structures that go 100 feet deep down into rock. They're in the process of excavating in preparation of the steel reinforcing that will go in here, and then ultimately the concrete. But as you can see, safety is of paramount concern here. Everybody's wearing their vests, their glasses. You have respirators where necessary. They're working down in the hole. They have dust control, which is the water. Very safe environment. It's taken us 4 months to get to this point in totality, and this operation has taken us about 2.5 weeks to get to this point, starting the excavation.
Are you into bedrock yet, or will you get into bedrock?
These caissons are well into bedrock. So now, over here, we'll go into the parking garage, which is much further ahead. As you look around, these are the complete foundations for the parking garage. And what will happen beginning next week, we'll start standing precast concrete units that have been manufactured upstate. And what we'll do is we'll take those components and we'll erect anywhere from 20 to 30 pieces a day until the garage is fully standing. April of 2016 is when we expect the first phase of the parking garage to open, right on schedule. Terminal building begins here. To the west is the parking garage, to the east is the terminal building. This is a stairwell that will be within the parking garage, and those will be the elevators that service the parking garage. Everything's going simultaneously. It's a large operation. You know, in comparison, people see in Manhattan, when you're building a high-rise, everything's going up. Well, we're doing the same amount of work, only we're spread out. It's quite an accomplishment in a short period of time. Quite a challenge, and again, everybody who's been associated with the project has stepped to the plate and made this a reality.